Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders, and my dear students. Hearty welcome to linear algebra class. So, we are going to do the inner product vector spaces problems based on Gram-schematic orthogonalization process. Here in this problem, we the vector spaces are cube of R, and beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 are the given vectors given by beta 1 equal to 2, 1, 3, beta 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, beta 3 equal to 1, 1, 1 is the given basis. Then you are asked to construct orthonormal basis. ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఆధారం ఉపయోగించి లంబాభిలంబ ఆధారాన్ని కనుగొనుము అన్నారు. సో ఆల్ఫా 1 ఈక్వల్ టు మనకు తెలిసిన రూల్ ప్రకారం బీటా 1 బై నామ్ బీటా 1, దట్ ఈస్ 213 డివైడెడ్ బై స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 419, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 213 బై రూట్ 14, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ఫా 1. Now gamma 2 equal to beta 2 minus inner product beta 2 alpha 1 times alpha 1. So let us construct inner product between beta 2 and alpha 1. So what is beta 2? That is the vector 1, 2, 3. And what is alpha 1? The vector 2, 1, 3 by root 14. What is the standard inner product between these two triodes? That is dot product. So 1 into 2. So 1 into 2, that is 2. Next 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 3 into 3, that is 9, whole divided by 14. That is nothing but 13 by root 14. Now using this in gamma 2, we have beta 2, that is 1, 2, 3 minus inner product 13 by root 14 times alpha 1 vector 2, 1, 3 divided by root 14. కనుక ఈ విలువ ఏమవుతుంది? 1, 2, 3 minus 13 by 14 times 2, 1, 3. That is, on simplification, 14 times 1, 2, 3 minus 13 times 2, 1, 3 whole divided by 14. So that becomes 14, 28, 42 minus 26, 13, 39 whole divided by 14. On further simplification, 14 minus 26, that is minus 12, 28 minus 13, 15, 42 minus 39, that is nothing but 3 whole divided by 14. That is minus 12, 15, 3 divided by 14. Therefore, what is norm gamma 2? That is square root of 144 plus 15 square, 225 plus 3 square, 9 whole divided by root 14. That is nothing but root 378 by 14. That is the value for norm gamma 2. That is our gamma. Now alpha 2 equal to gamma 2 by norm gamma 2, that is 14 by root 378 into minus 12, 15, 3 whole divided by 14. 14, 14 gets cancelled, that becomes minus 12, 15, 3 divided by square root of 378, that is equal to alpha 2. So what is gamma 3 now? Beta 3 minus inner product beta 3 alpha 1 times alpha 1 minus inner product beta 3 alpha 2 times of alpha 2. So let us calculate beta inner product between beta 3 and alpha 1. What is beta 3? The vector 1, 1, 1. What is alpha 1? The vector 2, 1, 3 divided by root 14. So once again, what is the inner product? That is nothing but 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 3, that is 3. That is 2 plus 1 plus 3. That is 6 by root 14. Next, what is beta 3? Inner product between beta 3 and alpha 2. So beta 3 and alpha 2. Once again, beta 3 is 1, 1, 1. What is alpha 2? Minus 12, 15, 3 divided by the square root of 378. That is equal to 1 by square root of 378. And then once again, what is the dot product? 1 into minus 12, minus 12. 1 into 15, 15. Next 1 into 3, that is 3. Whole divided by 378. That is equal to 6 by square root of 378. Now using all this in the equation gamma 3 equal to beta 3 1, 1, 1 minus inner product between beta 3 and alpha 1. What is that? 6 by root 14 times alpha 1 2, 1, 3 by root 14 minus inner product between beta 3 and alpha 2. That is nothing but 6 by square root of 378 times alpha 2, that is minus 12, 15, 3 by 378, square root of 378. And for the simplification, 1, 1, 1 minus 6 by 14 times 2, 1, 3 minus 6 by 378 times minus 12, 15, 3. So that is nothing but square root 378 times 111 minus 162 times 213 minus 6 times minus 12 15 3 by 378. On further simplification, we have that is gamma 3 equal to 378 378 378 minus 324 162 486 minus of minus 72 90 18 whole divided by 378. That is nothing but 378 minus 32 plus 72 comma 378 minus 162 minus 90 comma 378 minus 486 minus 18 whole divided by 378. That is equal to 126 minus 126 by 378. That is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 3. That is equal to gamma 3. Therefore, now gamma 3 equal to 1 by 3 times of square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is root 3 by 3. That is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is alpha 3? Gamma 3 by nam gamma 3 root 3 by 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 times into 1 minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 by root 3. So finally, the required orthonormal basis is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. That is given by 2 by root 14, 1 by root 14, 3 by root 14, comma, minus 12 by square root of 378, 15 by square root of 378, 3 by square root of 378, comma, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. I hope that is clear. Okay. This is how we calculate this. Similarly, you are asked to find, that is, if r is equal to 201, 3 minus 1, 5, 0, 4, 2 is a basis of inner product, then find its orthonormal basis of V of f. So beta 1 equal to 201, beta 2 equal to 3 minus 1, 5, beta 3 equal to 0, 4, 2. So what is norm beta 1? Square root of 4 plus 0 plus 1 root 5. Alpha 1 is nothing but beta 1 by norm beta 1, 201 divided by root 5. That is equal to alpha 1. Now gamma 2 equal to beta 2 minus inner product beta 2 alpha 1 by alpha 1. Now similarly, inner product between beta 2 and alpha 1 equal to inner product between the vectors 3 minus 1 5 comma 201 by root 5. That is nothing but, once again, gamma 2 is nothing but, once again, this is nothing but, on further simplification, this is nothing but 3, that is 3 into 1, 2, 6, minus 1 into 0, 0, 5 into 1 is 5. So 6 plus 5, 11 by root 15, root 5. Next, gamma 2 is nothing but 3 minus 1, 5 minus 11 by root 5 into 201 by root 5. That is 3 minus 1, 5 minus 11 by 5 times 201. So that becomes actually 5 times 3 minus 1, 5 minus 11 into 201 by 5. That is 15 minus 5, 25 minus 22, 0, 11. So on further simplification, this becomes minus 7 minus 5, 14 by 5. Therefore, nam gamma 2 is nothing but square root of 49 plus 25 plus 196 by 5. That is square root of 270 by 5. Now alpha 2 equal to gamma 2 by nam gamma 2. That is 5 by root 70 into minus 7 minus 5, 14 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. Alpha t equal to minus 7 minus 5, 14 divided by square root of 270. So here now gamma 2 equal to beta 3 equal to beta 3 minus inner product beta 3 alpha 1 times alpha 1 minus inner product beta 3 alpha 2 times alpha 2. So inner product between beta 3 and alpha 1 we calculate, that is 2 by root 5. Inner product between beta 2 and alpha 2 is given by 8 by square root of 270. Now what is gamma 3? 0, 4, 2 minus 2 by root 5. So 0, 4, 2 minus 2 by 5 times 201 minus 8 by 270 times minus 7 minus 5 14. That is 270 into 0, 4, 2 minus 10 into 201 minus 8 into minus 7 minus 5 14. That is nothing but 0, 1080 540 minus 20 0 10 56 40 112. And for the simplification we get minus 16 to 112 32 by 270. That is your gamma 3. Therefore alpha 3 is equal to nam gamma 3. Get the gamma 3 by nam gamma 3. What is gamma 3? Nam gamma 3 1 by 27 into square root of 256 plus 12544 1024. That is nothing but 16 into root 6 by 9. Therefore alpha 3 equal to gamma 3 by nam gamma 3. That is 9 by 16 root 6 into minus 16 by 27, 112 by 27, 32 by 27. So once again on further simplification we can see that we get alpha 3 to be equal to minus 1 by 3 root 6 minus 7 by 3 root 6, 2 by 3 root 6. So required orthonormal basis is nothing but alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So we get these three vectors. Thank you very much for watching this video.